Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sunny and today I'm shooting video about cakes with my sister.
Hi, I'm Tori. Nice to meet you.
And if you're interested, stay with us. In our collection we have all cakes and today I will show you all the recipes. First I tell you about ingredients. Here you can find twinberry cheesecake and mint chocolate chip. Here cotton candy wonderland. This is secret ingredient cherries. Near love stuck strawberry. Another secret ingredient chocolate mushrooms. On Christmas trees Puss in Boots. And last ingredient shooting star, it's most hardest to find. I hope this video will help you to collect all cakes. With yours Sunny
And Tori. Bye
bye.
bye.